yesterday shopping for milk.
For milk.
Woo-wee, aren't we adventurous? Yeah. In order for Tom to eat anything, he needs to have some milk. So we are venturing out, and we figure since we're going to be out, we might make a couple other stops. So we'll see. We had a nice Thanksmas yesterday with our daughter Ashley, son-in-law Kent, grandson Dean, and granddaughter Salem. Kent does the turkey and I do the rest. Right?
Yep, pretty much.
I baked on Tuesday and Wednesday. I made pumpkin bread and cranberry bread, and then on Wednesday I made pumpkin pie and pecan pie and fudge. And then for sides on yesterday, we had mashed potatoes, mashed carrots, mashed sweet potatoes, stuffing, green beans,
and turkey neck.
And gravy, and Tom had the turkey neck.
Turkey neck.
It just looks disgusting. He seems to enjoy it though, so.
Nothing better than taking that turkey neck, snapping it in half, and just going, sucking the middle out of it.
He didn't do that though. Thank goodness. And then we had, pumpkin pie and pecan pie for dessert. And we did our gift exchange because this is like our Christmas too. And Dean, he loves it. He's 10. So he was super excited about all that. And, presents, of course. And he was very excited to give Grandpa Tom and Grandma Lori their present, which was a great big empty box with a cute little picture that he drew inside of it. Yep. But the picture had gone underneath the flap in the bottom of the box, so it looked like it was just an empty box.
So we open it up and it's like, oh cool, it's an empty box.
He was so cute too because he was making sure we were being so careful not to shake it, not to rattle it. He even brought it over to us.
Made it look like it was heavy the way he picked it up.
Yep, made it look like it was heavy and that whatever was in it was very fragile. He didn't want us to shake it, and we couldn't pick it up at all. So when it was time to open it, he had to carefully turn it over because it was upside down or something. So it was pretty funny. But it's a darling picture, and we will show it on one of these videos. Probably not this one, but probably on a Saturday. So by the time that you see this video, you will have already seen the cute picture that Dean drew for us. So we're heading out. Let's see how terrible it is. As far as traffic and people and all that goes, it's not too terribly smoggy. It's not great, but you can see the mountains, so that is a positive as far as here goes. Yesterday it was clearer. The taco truck, they were here yesterday, so was the fruit people. Maybe they took today off. There's the tool guy. And then on this corner, there's usually...
I wonder if his name's Tim.
Tim the tool guy. We'll have to go call him that. And then on that other corner, see, they used to all congregate over here, but now there's a big old sign, no trespassing, no sale of goods. But anyhow, the other guy on the other corner usually has corn on the cob and fresh fruit, oranges and strawberries and something else, probably either guava or papaya.
I guess it doesn't matter. There's not a lot of people here.
Oh, now I'm videoing. That's good. I hate that. I hit the button. I'm still learning this camera. There's the Skechers outlet store here in Bakersfield. We're gonna go see if they have anything. We're not even sure if we're gonna try on shoes.
Will they let us try on shoes?
I don't know. We'll find out, won't we?
I don't have a virus on my feet that I know of.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking when we were talking about it earlier.
Guess we'll find out.
Going?
Let's see, you just took a picture.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
That was turning the video on.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense. Well, we were successful. We both got shoes.
Got a deal.
And a deal, yeah.
Not as good a deal as I think it should be, but it was a deal.
Oh my gosh. So we both got new shoes. we got, so it's buy one, get one half off. And I wasn't sure if that was going to apply to on sale items. So they were both $59.99, but then we got one pair for half off.
Yeah. And I got some really special shoes. I'm hoping that they help me remember things from now on. Memory foam shoes. So I'm hoping that just, it works.
Let's hope.
From the bottom up.
Starts at the feet and works its way up. So they do let you try them on in there. So that was good. I guess the virus isn't on our feet.
No.
Alrighty. Now we get to go brave Walmart.
Yeah. Now it's Black Friday milk shopping time.
Yeah. Welcome to Bakersfield. You see all the oil derricks?
Hey, we made it home from Black Friday.
Yeah, we're all in one piece. How about that? We got our milk. We got
Look
a
at this.
couple boxes of cereal.
We scored on Black Friday.
Yep. Milk, couple boxes of cereal, and a loaf of bread. Woo! Aren't we just dangerous? So as soon as we got home, though, we need to take Bear for a walk. So we just got back from that. Now I just need to clean up this disaster. It's a mess from baking and crafting. Yeah, what were you doing behind me?
Absolutely nothing. I was just smiling, and
you know I'll see the video.
I'm just here. I'm arm candy.
Oh yeah.
Bear Mountain RV Park in Bakersfield. This is one of 2 dog runs. They provide bags. It's kind of nice because it's all nice and grassy and green, and their automatic sprinklers pop on, you know, like I think it's every 3 hours is what they told me, to kind of keep the pee smell down and wash it down into the dirt. And they keep it pretty well clean. But this is the smaller one of the 2. Bear likes it. Hey, Bear. And here's dog park number 2. This one's a lot bigger. Same thing, they provide poop bags right there and a trash can for you to dump them in when you're done. Let's just say most people pick up. Some people do not. Hopefully they all pick up because of that. God. Bear. Hey, guess what you're gonna smell like? Not a bad little park. That's our rig right there. Not bad at all. These are all the overnight spots. This whole row on the outside of the park. And then the monthlies are all in the middle of the park. Not too bad. Nice big wide spots. So look what Lori's found. Look what Lori found.
This is our neighbor's puppy. His
What up,
name
bud?
is Bud.
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 So we're puppy sitting for our neighbor.
Bud.
Brand new puppy. He's only 8 weeks old. So while he's at work during the day, we're walking him and feeding him.
Bud.
Hey, Bud. Come here. Come here.
He likes Tom.
Hi, Bud.
He's so cute.
And they called it puppy
No.
love.
No, I don't want puppy. Trust me.
Bear likes him. I think
Yeah,
Bear
she
wants
does.
Bear wants a puppy for Christmas.
She does.
Come here, Bud. Hey. Bud.
You can get her a small dog.
No.
That's not a puppy.
Oh. Come here, Bud. Hi,
Aw,
baby.
That's a good boy.
Hi, baby boy. What you doing? What you doing?
Aw. Say hi, Tom.
Hey, bud.
But you want to go back in, don't you?
Yeah. Go back into the safety of his own house.
He's going up the stairs pretty good. It's coming down. He's not very good.
Yeah.
He's afraid. Look.
Take it easy.
Good job.
I want to show you something. Crawl underneath here. See if I can do this. I'm gonna get filthy. I'm on the dirt. That's not good. Well, crap. To be continued.